What's up, pretty gang? It's your favorite nail tech Peaches back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a holiday bow. And yes, this is for all skill levels. Now, disclaimer, I've been gone for a couple weeks, y'all, because I have been sick going on 2 weeks. My sinuses are just not having it in these cold months, but I can finally talk decently and I can finally sound decent. Okay, so first things first, all you want to do is start by drawing a straight line down the length of the nail anywhere that you want. It could be dead center, it could be off to the left, off to the right. Listen, wherever your heart desires, wherever you want this bow is basically where you're going to start this line. Now, the only thing is it's really important to use quality products. So I'm using a not polished liner brush, and I am using a Gel Elixir Snow White polish. If you do not have a quality liner brush, this is not going to work, because you see how I'm able to just use the polish and go straight down my brush and it automatically creates this thickness. That's what you want. So I'm checking to make sure it is nice and even. If you are not able to get it this even, and maybe you're more of a beginner, guess what, baby girl, that's why they make cleanup brushes. Okay, so once you make your vertical line, you're going to make a horizontal line. Again, anywhere your heart desires. Basically, wherever you want the bow to sit is where you're going to have these lines like connect. So the point in which they intersect is where the bow is going to be. Now, I will say you are going to need to paint the sides, because if you don't do this, your bow may look incomplete. Basically, your lines are not going to look finished. Okay, so just make sure everything is nice and even. Look from all directions. Again, if you are a beginner, you'll want to go ahead and dry the vertical line for a couple of seconds, at least like 5 seconds, before you do the horizontal, if you're worried about messing up your paint. Okay, so once you go ahead and get your lines together, we're going to work on the bows. You guys, when I tell you this is 3 minutes, this is an easy video, baby girl, that's exactly what I mean. So I used to suck at using my brush to make loops and stuff. So what I would do now is I do one half of the loop and I do the other, and then I kind of round it out separately. Again, if you're super beginner, do both of those separate sides, cure it for a couple of seconds, and then do the rounded part. Okay, now it makes it look extra bow-like and cute if you kind of like don't make the you know, the lines connecting super straight and have like a little wiggliness to them. Again, like I said, if you're not good at this, cleanup brush is your friend. Okay, and then we're gonna basically do the other side. Y'all, this is super easy, super simple if you don't know what to do. Now for the other side, as you guys can see what I mean? I make it like a little whoop. Like, it doesn't have to be a perfectly straight line coming from that intersection. Boom, clean everything up, make everything matching thicknesses, and you're all done. Y'all, I gotta start by doing small tutorials because it's hard for me to talk for long periods of time continuously, especially outside of work. Okay, and then for the strings, you just take your brush and kind of do a flick. All right, again, if you're a beginner, you can cure in between each step. You guys, this takes no time at all. This is the final result. I apologize that this tutorial is so short, but it's sweet and to the point. You guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy holidays.